if y varies inversely as x and y equals 6 when x equals 10, we want to find out the value of x when y is 48. Inversely, varying inversely, we use this equation, y equals k over x. K is called a constant. We're going to solve for the constant first and use that to find the value of x here when y is 48. So let's start here. So let's plug in our information. We're going to look right here. Y is 6, so we plug in a 6 for y. We're solving for k. And then our value for x is 10. I can put a 1 underneath this 6, and when I do that, it creates just a simple proportion here. What we're going to do now is we are going to cross multiply and solve. I'll start with my letter here. 1 times k is k. Bring down the equal sign. And then 6 times 10 is 60. So we're going to use this constant of 60 to actually answer the question. The question is saying, what's the value of x right here when y changes to 48? All right, so let's write our formula or our equation here. Y equals k over x. Let's plug in what we have here, what we know. We have 48 for y. We have 60 right here for the constant for k, and we're going to solve for x. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to put a 1 underneath that 48, and that creates a proportion. Now when I do these simple proportions, I like to cross multiply where the letter is first. That's just a personal preference, but it doesn't matter who you cross multiply first. So here we go, 48 times x is 48x. And then we are going to cross multiply 1 times 60. That's going to give us 60. And then now we need to solve for x. So you have to do opposites. The opposite of multiplying by 48 on the left-hand side would be to divide by 48. So we do that on both sides. Then we have to do some calculator math here. We take that 60 divided by 48, and you're going to get an answer of 1.25.